3 ingredient bread. Here we go. All-purpose flour, yeast, salt. Let's roll. 3½ cup of flour. And here's the half. Come on, what do you got? There you go. There's the half cup, all right? 2 teaspoons of salt. This is that pink Himalayan job right there. There you go. 2 teaspoons. No, I don't measure it. It looks good, that's it. Teaspoon of dry yeast. There we go. Right in there like that. 1.5 cups of warm water. Right like that. Start mixing it. If it looks too dry like that, add a little bit of more water. A little more splashes of water. A little bit. You want consistency, not by recipe all the time. A bit of a wetter dough. There we go. Just like that. You cover it up. And you get a plate. I don't know, I get a plate because I do it because I got puppies in here. They'll take advantage of the dough. Cover with a plate. 5.5, 8 hours. I'll be back. Alright. Take this, throw it all over the countertop. Do some to your hands too. Here's your dough. That's what you want. Just like that. Pull it out. So taking it, roll it onto itself. Like this. So a nice little ball. I put mine on parchment paper. That way it doesn't stick inside the pot. So this Dutch oven's been in the oven now on 425 degrees for about 30 minutes to heat it up a little bit. Take your parchment, slide it in here, done. Put your lid back on, and take this whole monster and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Just like that. Last 15 minutes, lid off, back in the oven to crisp up and brown at the top. And there we go. Perfectly done artisan bread. Just the way Mommy likes.